Alpha to checkpoint command. We got multiple forms of unknown figures reaching on our position. Multiple casualties. We're getting pinned down and need help now. Over.
Point Bravo reporting stay in spare tissue tube. There are too many of them.
Point Delta is compromised. Repeat, Point Delta is compromised. I have no idea how, but they're charging me hard. My team can take much more of this. Requesting immediate airstrike on our position.
Checkpoint command to all points. Abandon posts and fall back. UAV has almost an entire army of humanoid figures moving in towards the checkpoint. Abandon posts and fall back now. Command out.
And our player profile as we get a little bit more of a chance to talk about Terrence Kane, junior college transfer, and he is
at approximately 1:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, the St. Louis checkpoint, controlled by the Missouri State National Guard and St. Louis Metropolitan Police, was breached by unknown hostile humanoid entities. These humanoid entities have the following descriptions: heavily distorted facial features with pale gray white skin, warped clothing, and misplaced or doubled eyes, noses, and mouths. These entities, while they have several inabilities, are still extremely dangerous. As such, you are advised to not let anyone in your home, no matter how familiar their voices may sound, no matter how similar their faces are to the ones you know of, and no matter if it's human or not. Specialized teams from the Missouri State National Guard and the U.S. Department of Anomalous, Paranormal, and Occult Affairs are currently en route and will continue to do as soon as possible. Normal programming has now been suspended, and this message will repeat in the next 5 minutes.